Republic Day speech in English. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to speak on Republic Day. Today we have gathered together to celebrate the 75th Republic Day of our country today, and this is an auspicious occasion for everyone and I am very happy about it. We should congratulate each other for our hard work and the great things we have done for this country. In India, we celebrate Republic Day every year because the Constitution of India came into force on this date. We are celebrating Republic Day of India since the Constitution came into force in 1950 because it was ratified by all provinces and states on 26 January that year and became a reality for us. The supreme power of the people living in a country is called republic. Only the people have this right to choose their representatives as political leaders to lead their country in the right direction. Therefore, India is a republic country where the people choose their leader as the Prime Minister. Our heroes in India fought for freedom, and that is why we enjoy freedom today. They sacrificed their lives to give us our present day country. India is a democratic country where the people choose their leader to lead them. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India ever since we got independence from British rule in 1947. Our country has developed a lot and is counted among the most powerful countries. The development of technology has made life easier for many people, and it can bring problem too much as inequality, poverty, unemployment and corruption. To make our country the best country in the world, we need to take a place today to solve such problems in society. And now I am going to end my speech with these words. Thank you so much for listening. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. तेबे दर्शक बंधु जदि आजिर एही भिडियोटी आपण मानक भल लगी थाए और आपण माने किछि नुआ शिखिबा को पाई थांती तेबे भिडियोटी को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करबा को भूलिबे नहीं और कमेंट बॉक्स रे जय हिंद निश्चय कमेंट करिवे। भिडियोटी को शेष पर्यंत देखि देबारु धन्यवाद। जय जगन्नाथ।